How to find Spotify receipt. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can find Spotify receipt. Now the process is actually quite simple. If you want to see all your transactions and you want to get a receipt of your transaction on Spotify, what you want to do is you'll need to head into your browser. Unfortunately, there is no any such option on your app itself. So what you want to do is you want to head into the spotify.com on your browser, whether on your desktop or on your phone. Simply head into spotify.com. Now, once on Spotify, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings icon at the very top right. You can see the gear icon. Tap on it there, the settings icon, and then tap on the view account option. Once you tap on the view account option here, you'll be headed into this page here. What you want to do is we scroll down below. You can see the second option, payment there, and under it you can see the very first option, order history. Tap on order history and you'll be able to find your receipts here, and you'll be able to find all your transaction history here. However, it's my new account and I don't have any transaction history, so it's not showing up here. You can see no receipts found, but if you do have any transactions made and if you do have a transaction history, it'll show up here. So this way you can find Spotify receipts. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.